What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TJ back again with another video. I'm headed to Mod Effects so I can get this part that I ordered that should fix my camber issues with my tires in the back. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I get there. All right, y'all. So I'm here at Mod Effects. Let's see what's going on. Look at this Hellcat. We got this car here. 5.7 is cam too. It got bags put on too. He sold it while I was gone.
I got a pretty good penny for it too. What the? Oh, I was gonna say, really? They send you an empty stuff? That's just rude.
I heard you were waiting on pizzas and right now showed up right now.
Oh, so that's what they look like. Oh, okay.
These are the rears.
Oh. Huh. Let's see. I forgot you had put the hood on there.
Yo, I went to Dallas and I mean, I didn't want to watch it so well. I was like, that's
it. She never bags it? She never
put it down for me so I can take a picture of it clean.
Annoying.
You're annoying. How you got bags for it with the right stock? No, all the way.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy TJ back again. It's the next day, so I'm about to go get my car line. So I will see y'all guys when I get there. Alright y'all, so I'm almost there. I got about 15 minutes. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so here's the place right here. Let's see what they about. I have the upgraded bundles. These are for the rear. About to get put on.
Here or you got to
All right, so I just left the shop. They were real quick on adding my bushings to the rear end of my car. This is the number if y'all want to check it out. Hopefully it clears up. I mean, hopefully. There we go. If it focuses. But I will have all the information on at the description below. So I'm going to pull over so I can show you guys what it looks like. So stay tuned. Oh, actually, I'm headed to Mod Effects, so I'm gonna show you guys when I get to Mod Effects. So peace. So I'm in Mod Effects. Let's check out this tire. All right, so the rear end is now straight because it was like this, kind of like that, but it's straightened out due to the bushings I got put on. The front is good too. But let me show y'all their information if y'all want to check them out. Focus. But this is their information if y'all want to check them out. They got good customer service. But other than that, the car rides better. I can tell it rides much better. Handles better. So other than that, I'm done with this video. I'm out. I hope y'all enjoyed. Peace.